Welcome to Cert Empire Exam Simulator. Let me show you how easy it is to prepare for your certification exam. Here's our dashboard. First, click on Downloads to see all your available exam dumps.
Great.
Now you can see all your downloaded exams. Let's click on Practice to start preparing.
Perfect.
Now we're on the practice page. Notice we have 3 different view options here: List View, Flashcards, and Single Questions. In single question mode, you'll see 1 question per page with its answer and detailed explanation. In List View, all questions appear on a single page for quick review. Flashcards mode makes studying interactive. Simply click on any question card and it flips to reveal the answer with detailed explanations. Now let's try exam mode. This is where it gets interesting. You can customize your quiz exactly how you want it. Set the number of questions, time limit, passing criteria, everything. Once you're happy with your settings, click Generate Exam. Now click Start Exam and get ready. Here comes the countdown.
And you're in.
Attempt all the questions just like the real exam. Then submit when you're done. Here's your results screen. You can see everything: your marks, whether you passed or failed, time duration. You can even download a detailed report. Plus, you can preview the exam and retake any questions you got wrong. That's Cert Empire Exam Simulator, your path to certification success. Cert Empire is the only platform in the certification industry that provides a real-time exam simulator like this. We don't just give you questions, we give you the complete exam experience.